Today we are making Panera Bread's Copycat 10 vegetable soup. Here's what you're gonna need. The star of the show is definitely fire roasted tomatoes. And then we're gonna throw in, you guessed it, lots of veggies. We also use brown rice, which has a similar texture to barley, but since this is going to be gluten-free, the sprouted brown rice gives it the perfect flavor and texture. The hardest part of this recipe is definitely just chopping the veggies. You can buy them pre-chopped or make a few shortcuts like using baby carrots in a chopper. You're going to heat up extra virgin olive oil in a pan and cook until the onions are translucent. The veggies will still be crisp tender. You're going to next add the seasonings and garlic and lemon zest and saute that for a couple more minutes. Sauteing the spices with the vegetables allows them to release their flavor. You're going to add some tomato paste and cook that for a little longer. It will start to caramelize and then you'll add in some vegetable broth. Use a wooden spoon to scrape the bottom of the pan to get any yummy caramely bits. Next, you'll add your fire roasted tomatoes, chickpeas, corn, and bay leaves. Salt and pepper, rice vinegar, coconut aminos, or gluten-free soy sauce. Bring to a boil and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the veggies are as tender as you want them. Add the pre-cooked rice, spinach, and turn the heat off. This soup is packed with plant-based nutrients and is the ultimate comfort food. It is literally bursting with flavor and it freezes well, so it's great for meal prep. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and grab the recipe on thereislifeafterwheat.com.